Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we will walk you through a neat trick on how to do the cinematic smooth speed ramping using Capcut right on your desktop. Let's dive right in. First, open up Capcut and import the video clips you'll be using for this tutorial. Here I've already placed the clips for our example. Click on the first video clip, then navigate to the video section located in the upper right corner of the screen. Activate the Stabilize option by clicking it, and select Recommended. Repeat this step for each of the video clips. Moving on to the next step, head over to the Speed section and click on Curve, followed by Customized. Now grab the first second of the curve and drag it upward, and also the end of the curve. Then adjust the second and fourth circles to be closer to the third circle. Finally, drag the third circle slightly downward. This will determine the speed and smoothness of your clip. Feel free to experiment until you're satisfied. Then click the box beside the Smooth Slow-Mo. Expand the frame blending, and then select Optical Flow to make it smoother. Do that to all of your video clips. Excellent! You should see something like this now. Let's continue by adding the pull-in transition to all of the video clips. This will enhance the visual flow between them. Go to the Transition section, click the Camera option, then locate and add Pull-in Transition. Moving forward, we're going to duplicate all of the video clips along with the transitions. This will allow us to create a more dynamic effect later on. Now let's add the blur effect. To do this, go to the Effects section, expand Video Effects, click the Nightclub option, and then locate and add the blur effect. Once added, increase the duration of the effect to match the length of your video clips. Now pay attention to the details of the effects. Decrease the range from 100 to 0 and blur from 100 to 70. This will give us a subtle and professional look. Great job! Let's move on to the next step. Grab and right-click on the duplicated video clips with the blur effect, then select Create Compound Clip. This will allow us to work with them as a single entity. Within the compound clip, add position and size keyframes at the beginning, center, and end of the clip. Use the original video as a guide to determine where to place these keyframes. Follow along with me here. Now drag the white line to the first keyframe of the compound clip. Then add a blend keyframe. Repeat this process for all keyframes. Remember to decrease the opacity of the center keyframes to 0, while increasing the opacity of the beginning and end keyframes to 100. Observe what I'm doing here. And here's the final result, a cinematic smooth speed ramping effect that adds a touch of elegance to your videos. We hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.